Stop scrolling. You have to see this incredible miracle. This guy, James Drain, just a few weeks ago got baptized in water. But wait for it, he was legally blind and has been for 8 years. He was chemically blinded, long story, blind. Goes into the water to be baptized. Watch what happens when he comes out. He gives his life to Jesus, he gets baptized in water, and when he comes out, Jesus heals him. He can see, he is completely healed. Come on, if you know Jesus is the healer, subscribe and follow for more.